Hello everyone, welcome back to Amazing Tips for You. Most of us do face the problem of stubborn belly fat these days. Today I've come up with an amazing weight loss diet soup, or more of a belly fat reduction soup, as it focuses mainly to help you lose belly fat. This weight loss soup does help with overall weight loss as well. This soup is easy to make with very few ingredients and doesn't take much time for preparation. But before we proceed, do make sure to subscribe to Amazing Tips for You and tap on the bell icon so that you receive notifications about all our new uploads. Now in a vessel, I'm adding in 3.5 cups of water. I'm making this soup for 3 people. You just need only 1.5 cups of water for 1 person. This is a very healthy and delicious soup that anyone can have every day to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Then I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, few garlic cloves and small onions. Here comes the main ingredient of this weight loss soup recipe, or the belly fat reduction soup: finely chopped flat beans or the broad beans. This is about 3 cups of flat beans. 1 cup is enough for 1 person. And then a cup of cabbage, some coriander leaves or cilantro, and some mint leaves. Wait until the vegetables get cooked completely. Once the vegetables get cooked completely, let it come to the room temperature so that you can transfer the cooked vegetables to a jar and blend them to a smooth paste. Here is the cooked vegetables blended completely. Add the cooked vegetables paste to the vegetable broth. Stir the mixture well and strain the soup. That's it, our weight loss soup is ready. This weight loss soup recipe is one of the healthiest options for breakfast. You can have this soup every day for faster weight loss and to lose belly fat. This weight loss soup can be had for long terms, even after weight loss, for weight maintenance and to stay healthy. Do try out this weight loss soup recipe and share your feedback. If you have any queries, do ask them in the comment section below and I would love to answer them. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Amazing Tips for You for more such useful videos. Take care. Bye-bye.